Hello everybody, I'm Bob Furlong, and this is Tech Quips number 32, Advanced Search Options in Drive. In your Google Drive, it is essentially just a big website that is storing all these other little websites. That means that you can search for things in your Drive. But here's the problem is you're also getting documents in your Drive that people shared with you. You're having yours in there. Using Google Classroom, you get all your students' assignments in your Drive as well. And Drive can quickly become this disorganized mess. Well, one of the best ways of finding things, especially if you're in your shared folder, is to use the advanced search options in Google Drive. I can just type in something that I know is in the document, and it's going to not only search for titles, but it also searches for what's in your document. For instance, I can type in the term, hit the spyglass, and now I get all of these documents that have the words dehydration, synthesis, reactions. But I'm also getting these documents that people shared with me. And I know it's something that I created. So if I click on this down caret, I can say, for instance, well, you know what? I also know that it's a presentation, and I know that I own it. I created it. Now, a couple other options that you have is you can say, well, you know what, this is something that someone gave me. It's not owned by me. Or if you know for a specific person, like I know they gave this to me, you can look specifically for that person. But I know that this is something that I created. Now, in the location, I can say like, well, you know what? Because I created it, it's going to be in my drive. So I don't want to select shared with me, just looking for my drive. Select that and search, and notice I come down to just 4 hits now. Before I had a whole drive of stuff, then I had a whole list of different topics. Now I'm down to just 4 documents, and I'm pretty sure it's this one. Now another thing that you could do is in Drive, if I have a document and I know for instance that it's in this class, all I need to do is right click, and now I can just search within this one class. And so it gives me all of the stuff that's in here already. But now when I go to search, and now I have all the documents that have that term in just that one folder. So using these advanced search options can save you a ton of time. Thanks for watching.